Hey guys, how you doing? Smile. Today we're going to do our lesson, sort of an intro lesson on dividing fractions by fractions. Now I know you guys know a lot about fractions already, so we're not going to talk a whole lot about them because again, you learned that before. But I do have one joke for you. What king invented fractions? Henry the Eighth. Get it? Henry the Eighth. Anyway, all right. So we're going to go ahead and switch over, and we're going to do a quick little demonstration on how to illustrate using fraction tiles how to divide a fraction by a fraction. All right. So we're going to go ahead and demonstrate how we divide a fraction by a fraction using fraction tiles. So our example is 1/2 divided by 1/4. So first we're going to go ahead and, okay, we have 2 halves, and we all know that a half equals a whole. Now we're not concerned with the whole right now, we're more concerned with just that 1/2. So what this number sentence says is how many 1/4 are there in 1/2? So let's go ahead and figure that out. We're going to take 1/4 and another 1/4. Okay, so basically this picture shows us that 1/2 divided by 1/4, which means how many 1/4 can there be in 1/2? Well, the answer is 2, because we have 2 1/4 pieces within our 1/2 segment. So 1/2 divided by 1/4 actually equals 2. Okay, here's another example. Again, the same concept. We're dividing a fraction by a fraction. This one's going to be 3/4 divided by 1/8. So I'm going to go ahead and put my 4/4 so I know that I have a whole. Now, for this problem, I'm only concerned with the 3/4. So we're going to forget about this one for now. We're going to leave it there, but we don't really care about it right now. And again, what this is saying is how many 1/8 can I find in 3/4? So let's see. There's one. There's another. There's another. Another, and whoops, one more. So, again, the problem is asking 3/4 divided by 1/8, which means how many times can 1/8 go into 3/4? So here's my 3/4, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1/8 that go into 3/4. So really, my answer is 6. Okay. Now we're going to see how we can do this without the tiles in our next video. But for this video, again, I just wanted to demonstrate the concept so you could see this visually.